Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I flat iron my hair. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below and share this video with everyone you know. Okay, so now my hair is freshly washed. I just washed my hair and I will have the link down below of my wash day routine, and I'm putting in the hair repair silken serum. And it has argan oil and coconut oil in it, and it is good for protection for heat, and it gives my hair really nice shine. So I love this because it's like an all-in-one. It shines my hair. It has argan oil and coconut oil in it, and it is a heat protectant. So I just put that all over my hair, and then I divide my hair into sections, and I take little parts of my hair and I comb it out, making sure I get all that knot out and try to detangle it as much as I could. And then I use my flat iron. You guys, this is my favorite flat iron. I actually bought this about 3 years ago in a store. I can't remember the name of the store, but I love it. I paid like 22 US for it, so I got a good deal for it. And actually, I saw it in a store in Trinidad recently and it was for 500 TT. So I was like, oh my gosh, I got a really good deal. And actually, I heat this flat iron to about 350 to 375, and I flat iron my hair. So I really try my best to get this flat iron to the root as possible because I have a lot of new growth in my hair. So I really make sure I put that in the root, and I kind of like press the flat iron together and really try to put a bit of a pressure on it to get it as straight as possible. And then I curl the ends because I like a little curl at the ends from my hair. And then basically I repeat this process through my entire hair from the roots using the flat iron, and then bringing it down and curling the ends. So I am just fast forwarding this part because it's basically the same thing I'm doing over and over. And you guys, I do not flat iron my hair all the time. I only really flat iron my hair when I relax it. So I only flat iron my hair probably like 3 times for the year. I'm not a fan of heat in my hair, so I try my best not to flat iron my hair. The only reason I'm flat ironing my hair today is because I wanted to show you guys how I normally flat iron it, but I try my best not to get a lot of heat because I'm really trying to grow my hair. My hair was shorter than this, and because of different methods and different things that I did to my hair is just growing so fast and so thick and so healthy. And I think one of the reasons is because of me not putting a lot of heat in my hair. So I'm at the front of my hair, so I just divide the front of my hair in two, and basically it's the same process that I do. I put some more oil heat protectant in my hair, and I do this for every section because I want that every section of my hair have this oil in it, especially that heat protectant, because I do not play with my hair and heat. I do not play. Guys, I do not like to flat iron my hair. I find that it's such a long process, especially if you're like me and you have really thick hair. I hate it because it takes so long and you're just repeating this process over and over and over. And sometimes I'm like, when will it end? Okay, and for the top, I kind of like a side part, so I make sure that more of my hair is on the left side of my face because I am a left-hander and I love a side part. Right, so I'm just curling that. And then I do the other side because I love a side part. And then I'm just combing my fingers through my hair just to separate it and let it just look more full and more natural. And I just play with the front of my hair until I get the desired look that I want. And yes guys, this is basically it. This is how I flat iron my hair, and this is how it looks when I'm finished flat ironing it. It looks so nice and shiny and healthy. So yeah guys, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye.